Welcome back to Hot Car Track and Mount Western Raceway. This haul comes from Australia and this is from Cut Rock Racing. Cut Rock Racing is currently in Road Warriors Season 3 and doing mighty fine, I should say. This haul is going into VanTastic. Let's have a look at the first one. This is a Ford Transit Connect and this is coming in at 88 grams. Very nice. Mark is one of our premium diecast builders in Australia and worldwide, I must say that also. This next one, sorry, there's a bug there, I don't know what's going on. This next one here is the GMC Motorhome, the Red 8 News van. Never seen this, Cut Rock Racing. You have some classic cars that turn up here at Mount Western Raceway and vans. This one here is weighing almost 100 grams, 99.9. What a little ripper this is. Looking forward to throwing that down the track and see how she goes. This next one's an Aussie Post van. This is a Majorette. This is a Renault Traffic Red Australian Post van. And I'm surprised where you got this from. I don't know. Amazing, your collection, as I've said just before. This is coming in at 98 grams and this is called Snail Mail. Ah, love it. Fantastic. Yeah, that's a ripper. And the last one is, this is a Matchbox and this is a Ford Transit panel van, and this is fitted with Blackfire tyres. I don't know if you can see, but what Mark has done, it looks like he's embedded those into the wheels. Wow, that's going to be very interesting to see. If you're not familiar with Blackfire tyres, have a look at Road Warriors Season 3. DJ Triple J has a VN Commodore in there and that has Blackfire tyres on that. However, Mark's gone the extra step by the looks of it and embedded this into the wheels, so this is going to be very interesting. So there you go, that's the haul from Australia, from Cut Rock Racing. Thank you, mate. Look forward to seeing all these vans in VanTastic. Until next time, catch you later.